Well, something's going on. The dogs are going crazy again. I don't know what they've got against our postman or the UPS man, but I do fear for his life if they ever get loose when he's delivering a package. But let's see what we got going on. Something just arrived. I think it's what I've been waiting on. Ooh, what we got here? The Parts Guru. GMPartsHouse, Pennsylvania. All right, this is what I've been waiting for. Oh, what do we have here? Love, Shane.
I love you. I love you, man.
I love you. I love you. I'm not even embarrassed to say it. I love you.
I'm not embarrassed.
Love you.
I love you. It's like, why don't we say that every day? Why can't we say it more often?
I just love you. I just want to go to the rooftops and scream, I love my best friend Evan.
We should go up on my roof.
For sure.
Well, without hesitation, let's go and get this installed on the car. Well, as y'all may or may not know, I am attending or planning to attend Camaro Fest here in Bowling Green, Kentucky in July 12th to the 14th, I believe. So I've been preparing the car in order to go to the show, fixing up a little bit more. And I found these cool fuel doors from GMPartsHouse. You know, red painted fuel door. Should accent them really nice. So we get her open. Packaging there. Let's see what we got going on here. All right. Looky, looky, looky. Fuel door. With the red accent, this should look killer on the car. So, and it looks like it just clips in, sliding, slide out, slide back in. You do have to be really careful with these for the fact that they will get stolen. So I recommend if you go, you know, keep your car in a parking lot or something like that, unattended, you keep your original fuel door with you and just pop it on and whatnot, because these do, as you're going to see, go on and off very, very easy. But this looks freaking incredible. Look at the shine on that. I don't know if y'all can see it very good, but wow. That's going to look really good on the car. And it should match the 1LE, my side mirrors, and my blade spoiler with the black, and of course the paint with the red. Let's go and get it on the car. I'm excited. All right, y'all. Well, I did pull out the instructions on this one, the procedure they included. Very nice. Comes in 3 languages. Got the part number, everything you need here. It says, position the fuel tank filler door to the full open position. Using a light outward sliding pressure on the fuel door, lift up and release the retainer tab on the back side of the fuel door from the hinge. All right, well, what we want to do at this stage is get you a, you know, handy flathead screwdriver, and there's a little tab here you're going to see on the black plastic inner fuel door. Be very gentle. Don't break that sucker. Pull it back. Oh, shoot, be careful. And when you pull it back, it should pop back just like it did there, right? And then you just simply pull off. All you're doing basically is pulling back to get the tab over that little hinge point on the fuel door. So to get the new one on, very, very simple. We're going to remove the little sticker on here too first. All right, very simple. You're going to see a little alignment point on there. That needs to all line up. All right, once it's firmly in place, the alignment point's on, you simply push it back. Everything should go back into place. There you go. 5 minutes she is done, and that looks freaking incredible. Wow, that's very cool. There you have it, another freaking simple mod to put on the car. I mean, you can't beat the way it looks. That's incredible looking, especially with the 1LE, the black accents match the car perfect. It looks incredible. So 2 thumbs up to GMPartsHouse on the red fuel door. It's a great part. You know, I'm surprised these aren't on more cars. They should be. It looks really good. It's got recessed black letters on here. You could actually get painted if you wanted to just kind of mod it out even more, which is... Alright guys, if you liked the video, please hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos.